The Forest City, East Grand Lake Cottage, has 3 bedrooms, 2 up, 1 down. Natural wood cabinets. That's a wraparound L-shaped bar. You're probably going to want to eat out on the porch, but there is a formal dining room for inside if the weather's a little chilly. You've got a laundry, full bath, lots of closets. Wide open, first floor living area. First floor bedroom, 2 closets, spruce floors, cedar tongue and groove on the walls. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for being with us on this tour of a Forest City property on East Grand Lake. This one's more year-round. There's a gas heater. Here's your bathroom. That makes it very civilized. .100 amp circuit breakers. There's a drilled well with a submersible pump, and you get a laundry. Coming out of the bathroom, there's a little entryway. We're heading up to the 2nd floor. There's a catwalk, 2 bedrooms. The front bedroom is closest to the lake. You can hear it, you can see it. You're not far from the shoreline. You've got about 8 beds, 3 couches, lots of room for all your loved ones and family. Both of the bedrooms on the 2nd floor have closets in the knee wall. They're about 18 feet wide, usable. They're separated by a catwalk. Now I get that song about catwalk on the catwalk, yeah, in my head. Sorry about that, folks. 2 beds on this end. You're making these videos, we're all by ourselves. We're the camera crew, we're the guy that goes and gets donuts. We're the me, myself, and I that edit and upload, so you can watch these without having to travel all those miles. Touring them should be easy without having to come all the way up every single time a new listing hits the market. We get it. We wouldn't want to travel or waste the money either. And that's why videos are so awesome. This is a camp in late spring that we're checking out, knowing that there's going to be a summer rush. You can beat that crowd. Thank you for watching the Maine Real Estate channel. We'll make another video once the snow leaves, if the place is still for sale. Please take the time to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're not already a member. If you are, we really appreciate it. Thank you very much, YouTube watchers. Check out the other waterfront properties on our video channel, the Maine Real Estate channel. The metal roof sure is handy in the winter months. No falling off a ladder. This is your private boat landing right next door.